Hi, my name is Glenn Hasselman. Just making this video for the user of free accounting software to show you guys some more information about how the payroll calculation rules work. So this is the second video in the series. There's going to be a whole bunch of videos and I'm just going to continue on from the first video. In the first video we set up the calculation rule for normal time for Monday through to Thursday, with the roster cycle being 8 hours on Monday through to Thursday, and then the 6 hours on the Friday to get the 38 hours total. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Friday calculation rule. So if we set the timesheet date to the Friday and then hit calculate, at the moment nothing happens because the first calculation rule was set up to apply from day 1 to 4, and for this employee's roster that means Monday through to Thursday. So I'll show you how to set up the calculation rule for the Friday. So going to the accounts and selecting normal time, this all stays the same. Calculation rules list, there's our Monday to Thursday calculation rule. If we just quickly go into it, you can see that the roster day is 1 to 4. Okay, back to the list and then click new calculation rule. So we're adding a rule to this account normal time. We'll call this normal dash Friday and it will apply to roster day 5. Okay, we want it to trigger when the timesheet says this account, which is work, and skipping through to from and 2 hours, we want it to go from 0 through to 6. Okay, so I'll cover off open and close time and qualify and disqualify hours in another video. Hours, quantity, or 1 unit, we want to pay the hours that are actually worked, and we just want to pay 1 times those hours. We don't want to scale up or down. Apply separately for each day is yes, and most, or if not all, of your rules will say that there. And we don't want a separate transaction type, so this last one has got to be blank. So save that. Now if I go back to the quickly just to confirm what we've done there, back into the normal time and the calculation rules list, we've got the 2 rules. So we've got one for the Monday to Thursday and then one for the Friday. Okay, going to the payslip now, just shrink the font down so we can see all the fields here. If I change the date of the timesheet now to the Friday and click robot calculate, it will actually calculate the 6 hours. So it's saying quantity 6, even though there's 8 hours worked on this timesheet here, the quantity is 6 because the hours was from 0 and the hours to was to 6, so it goes only up to 6. Okay, so to sort of put it together, let's say put it all together, just changing this date to the 7th and clicking add timesheet line, so there's a second timesheet line. It's incrementing the date to the 8th of December, and then we'll fill out the rest of the week going up to the 11th, and let's say the finishing time is 4 p.m. On the Friday, and then click Robot Calculate. It will actually calculate the 38 hours for the week. Now there are the two rules, the one that applies from Monday to Thursday and then the one on the Friday. These combine together and there's just one line put onto the payslip for the result, which is the normal time of 38 hours. Okay, I'll save that payslip, and that's all I wanted to cover in this video. As I said, there'll be more videos to go into more complex things as well. Okay, I hope the video has been useful, and thanks for watching.